Comprehensive questions. What are silicons? How are linear, cyclic and cross-linked silicons synthesized? Discuss the important application of silicons. Or what are silicons? Classify them into different types. How are linear, cyclic and cross-linked silicons prepared? Discuss the important application of silicons. Answer. Silicons are organosilicon polymers, hence organosilicon compound containing oxygen, single bond silicon, single bond oxygen linkages, and Si silicon, single bond carbon bonds are known as silicons, and the polymer are known as silogens. Silicons have general formula. Silicons have general formula R2SiO whole X. दुईवटा अल्काइल ग्रुप एउटा सिलिकन एउटा अक्सिजन होल एक्स. These may be linear silicons, cyclic silicons and cross-linked silicons of the types. तीनवटा सिलिकन, चारवटा अक्सिजन अनि छवटा अल्काइल ग्रुप. फिगरको एरेन्जमेन्ट माथि देखाइएको छ. फिगर लिनियर अर स्ट्रेट चेन सिलिकन ब्रैकेट सिलोजेन. साइक्लिक सिलिकन in bracket tris cyclodialkyl silogen. And then finally two-dimensional cross-linked silicon. Two-dimensional cross-linked silicon. छवटा सिलिकन अरू त्यो एरेन्जमेन्ट छ अक्सिजन र अल्काइल ग्रुपको. where R is equal to CH3, C2H5, C6H5 and other hydrocarbons. Preparation. PREPRATIO in preparation. Synthesis of silicons. The starting materials for the manufacture of silicons are alkyl or aryl substituted chlorosilane. The type of starting material determines the type of silicon produced. On the basis of starting material, the production of the silicon depends upon the type of starting materials used. यसरी भन्दा हुन्छ. First, preparation synthesis of silicons को process को first. Hydrolysis of dialkyl dichlorosilane gives the corresponding silane-diol, which undergoes intermolecular condensation, producing linear or straight chain polymers. CH3 whole 2 times SiCl2 in arrow plus 2 times H2O. सिलिकनमा दुईवटा मिथाइल ग्रुप CH3 दुईवटा OH हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप. तल फेरि आएर सिलिकनमा दुईवटा मिथाइल ग्रुप अनि NOH सिंगल बोन्ड सिलिकनमा बढ्नु भएको अनि सिंगल बोन्ड OH एरोमा माइनस 2 टाइम्स H2O. यता आएर बन्छ लिनियर सिलिकन पोलिडाइमिथाइल सिलोजेन. नेक्स्ट मेथड hydrolysis of dialkyl dichlorosilane under carefully controlled conditions can produce variety of products. Under controlled conditions, diol undergoes rapid condensation to give mixture of both linear and cyclic polysilogen containing 3, 4, 5 or 6 atoms. The reaction is given in the figure. सिलिकनमा दुईवटा अल्काइल ग्रुप दुईवटा हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप एन सुरुमा एन छ बन्छ लिनियर पोलिसिलोजेन plus cyclic polysilogen plus N times H2. And then the structures are given TRIS tris cyclodimethyl silogen tetrakis cyclodimethyl silogen. And the third process is hydrolysis of trimethyl monochlorosilane else trimethylsilanol as a volatile liquid which can condense giving hexamethyl disilogen. Since this compound has no OH groups, it cannot polymerize any further. CH3 whole 3 SiCl in arrow minus H2O, CH3 whole 3 SiOH plus HCl. And the reaction is given. And the final product is hexamethyl disilorane. And the fourth process is hydrolysis of alkyl trichlorosilane gives silane-triol, which on condensation produces very complex cross-linked polymer. CH3 SiCl3 in arrow 3 times H2O, CH3 SiOH whole 3 plus 3 times HCl. The reaction is given in the figure. Now, application uses of silicons. As silicons are water resistant, they are useful for waterproofing certain industrial materials. The polars SiO bonds orient themselves near the surface and the organic groups present a water-repelling exterior. They are used as effective lubricants of very high and very low temperature and as hydraulic fluids because of their viscous nature and thermal stability. Silicon resins are used in the insulation of electrical equipment and in electronics for printed circuit boards. They are used for the encapsulation of components such as resistors and integrated circuits. Highly viscous semi-solid silicons enclosed in biologically compatible pouches are used for breast implants. They have physiological inertness and are thus suitable for such an application. Those with smaller those with smaller degree of cross-linking are rubber-like. They are called silicon rubbers. Full stop. These are used as a substituents for natural rubber in some products. Full stop. They are also used for making gasket, valve seals, etc. Since it is highly flexible. In 6 number there is they are used for making high temperature paints. Okay, this much.